Hi guys, so you all have chosen the makeup route, and this route is going to be super cool. I'm really excited to see what creative things you all come up with, and it's just going to be awesome. So I'm going to show you all what we're going to do today, and if at any moment you need to pause the video, that is totally okay. I use YouTube to learn all kinds of things like how to build a rock wall, and how to put in a pocket door at my house, or even how to do math. So there's lots of things that you can learn with videos, but I wouldn't be able to take in all that information at one point, so I pause my video a ton and go back and rewind it, so you all can do the same. I hope that you do, at least. So when you're on the Canvas page, on the makeup page, you see here that you click the link. This is where you turn in your PDF. All right. You also have here what's called a template. Okay. If you right click or double click, if you don't have the little clicker buttons, this white box will pop up, and you're going to click Save Image. You just save it as whatever you want to save it as. Okay. Then you're going to come, mine pops up like this. I'm going to exit out. You're going to come over here to this tab button, okay, this little plus button, and you're going to type in Google Drawing. And when you do that, you're just going to click the first one, okay? Now, when you're here, what I like to do is I like to grab this top little tab. I click it and pull down. Now, when I do that, it makes a whole new browser, but it's called a split screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to where these two little boxes are. When I do that, it makes my first browser smaller. Now I'm going to show you why. Because we're going to do this artwork, but our artwork has to have all of these things in it. So we have to have 4 obtuse angles, 4 acute angles, all of that stuff, okay? So I like to be able to see my checklist while I'm working on my art, okay? So that's why I do a split screen. Sorry guys, it's announcements time. Only time I got to make a video, so sorry. But what you're going to do now is you're going to insert an image. And this image that you're inserting is the template that you just saved. So you're going to input this here, and you have this nice template. You can make it bigger. So I had some examples of what you could do on the Canvas page. I know one example had it like went all the way across her face and even down like on her nose, like some eyeshadow stuff. Or if you want to do like some funky lip stuff, whatever you want to do is perfectly fine, okay? But what you're going to do is you're just going to play around with this. There's really no right or wrong answer as long as you have all of these like math things in it, okay? So you're going to click the arrow down button. And then I love Polyline. I'm going to show you why. So with Polyline, you can make shapes, but then it closes the shape in, and it already uploads, or it creates a shape, and then you can change the color. So you go here to this paint can, and you can change the color, right? So I just love that for that reason. But you play around and see what all you can use, okay? There's lots of different stuff, but you can play around with the shapes. Like there's already like, you know, all kinds of shapes here. There's already triangles created.
Bus number 7 is loading at this time.
Right.
Let's get in the line.
And you can spin them, all kinds of stuff you could do, okay? So just make sure you look at the examples that are on the Canvas page. That way you can see kind of what you're going for. But that's all you really do. You just make a really cool design on the makeup, and then make sure you use all of these over here. But you need to upload your image when you're done. So you click File, and you can download your image as a PDF, okay? When you do that, it shows up down here, okay? You need to upload this to the Canvas page, just like you would any other art assignment, okay? So I hope this helps, and I cannot wait to see all the cool stuff you design. If you need anything at all, just let me know. But remember, if you're in the classroom, ask 3 before me. All right? Happy making!